Usually, a hydraulic breaker is used at a construction site. The piston moves back and forth and strikes by using hydraulic oil pressure and nitrogen gas. However, in case of blank firing without a target to hit, internal parts such as front head, rod pin, and through bolt, etc. can be damaged by striking internal parts, and the lifespan of the product will be shortened as well through repeated frictional heat and impact. And repeated impact and frictional heat cause reduced life and uneconomical use of the equipment. So we've developed a hydraulic breaker with anti-blank firing system to solve these safety issues. This system consists of a chisel, piston, low pressure port, high pressure port, control valve, and nitrogen chamber, etc. When the piston is out of the normal blow range, anti-blank firing system is opened, forming a high-pressure upper piston chamber, causing the piston to stop, which allows the breaker to suspend operation. The breaker using this technology can improve economic efficiency by preventing blank firing, and thus extend the life of the equipment and parts. A second stroke can be used as a winter warm-up by short stroke and quick blow compared to regular stroke. Rather than being content with the present, as an expert in construction equipment, we will create a better future for all through ceaseless research and development efforts. Thank you.